My Melody Kuromi 50th and 20th anniversary. There's merch here at Mall of Asia. The Sanrio thing, shoes, and kids clothes. Yeah. So here one. That's an anniversary Funko boxes. El Mallrat, it's August 9 and we are here at Mall of Asia Atrium, and there is apparently a My Melody Kuromi 50th and 20th anniversary setup, display, trade, whatever. So let's check it out. There's merch here. It's an SM thing. So seems like SM department store or Toy Kingdom stuff. Bags and stuff. Very girly stuff. Oh, cute cats. See, there's other Sanrio characters. Shoes. Kids shoes. And then kids clothes there. Excuse me. There you go. Some Hello Kitty merch right here. Pillow over here. Check it out. Handbags. The bag. SM department store. So it's an in-house SM thing. Kids clothes, super kids clothes. Oh, there's some Funkos there. Let's check it. Ooh, there you go. Look at that. That's on sale. Demands. Ooh. Albums and journals. And some figures back here, maybe. Yep. Figures back here. Buy two, get one. Officially licensed Sanrio characters. Keep playing. Tastes like gacha, or you get what you buy. $500 per. That's it. Here's digital. Oh, they got a fan.
Huh?
Look at that, they got fans. Okay, toys. Toys. This. Vertical stuff. That's cute. And get it down here. Oh, 500 bucks for the set. I think it's no, it's not. It's down here. The set, the better sets are down there. 1,000 bucks. 1195. More pricey. It's Sanrio. Of course, it's pricey. Ooh, it's more here, but let's check these out first. Hello Kitty World Tour. The one thing I like about Mall of Asia is that the supermarket closes 11, not 10. So you will be taking advantage of that later. Cute. Let's see how much there. How much there? Right. Who is this? I don't know this character. It moves. Funko Pop Hello Kitties. Funko Pop Hello Kitties. Okay, Funko Pop price. Oh, there actually is a special Funko Pop for this, the anniversary one. That one. This one. And yeah. So oh, here one. That's an anniversary Funko Pops. Got it. And like goods. About the merch. Oh, look at these. Collectibles. Gotcha mode though, so you don't know what you're getting. You buy. That's it for Sanrio characters. Sanrio characters. Don't know what you're getting. Probably either. Let's check them out over there. 1 4. 1 4 for these ones. Cute background. Looks like you can hang them on a wall. There you go, guys. Well, there you go. That was the merch shop for the Sanrio character. Oh, their toys are no, Toy Kingdom. Okay, there you go, guys. There you go, Mallrats. That was the My Melody Kuromi 50th and 20th anniversary showcase here at SM Mall of Asia. Yeah, mostly merch, some cute take a picture displays, mostly kiddie stuff. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. Mallrat out. Mallrat out.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat